The construction industry has to continuously face and overcome new challenges and is always looking for effective solutions to improve safety and the quality of life in urban centres, safeguarding their intrinsic vitality while ensuring efficient installation times. Just as the veins and arteries of the human body, every building works thanks to kilometers of cables, which indeed play a key role in terms of reliable functioning and safety, especially in fires and emergency conditions. There are still consistent amounts of cable products sold in the market which are non-compliant to the relevant standards and which are causing an increased risk for people and delays in installation time. Since in most of the cases the difference is not visible at first glance, there is the wrong perception that all cables are the same. In order to prove this difference and drive the necessary change in the people's mindset, Prysmian Group, the market's worldwide leader, has developed the industry's only comprehensive test system, which evaluates cables in terms of safety, performance, and usability, and which is able to clearly quantify the benefits reached by using Prysmian and Dracker cables, the Prysmian Performance Test. The combination of benefits analysed and applied on real construction projects examples shows a superior level of safety, increased energy efficiency, and savings on cable installation time up to 32%, which means a considerable saving on the total project cost. Thanks to its rigorous approach to quality and to its company culture based on innovation, Prysmian Group offers high-quality cables that ensure the highest safety and reliability, combined with measurable economic advantages on installation costs and total cost of ownership. All cables are not the same.